Science, technology, engineering, and math. Since the beginning of humanity, these ideals have helped lay the foundation for revolutionary advancement. A team founded on advancement, creating new ideas, opportunities, and connections. Engineering a path to our future and enabling society to stand the test of time. After experiencing the opportunities in development that STEM can provide, we sought to involve everyone in building a future that promotes innovation. So we asked ourselves, how can we inspire and enable new generations to be a part of this innovative future so that we can continue growing as a community? By transforming youth into engineers and innovators, and empowering the upcoming generation to be future leaders. We create opportunities for kids from all walks of life. Empowering thousands. We broadened our impact, reaching the corners of the world, ensuring no kid is left behind. Achieving something bigger than ourselves, and leaving a legacy that shapes the future. When we create, we innovate. When we innovate, we inspire. When we inspire, we create memories. We capture those memories and create, not just a team, but a family. Not just a brand, but a culture. Not just kids building robots, but robots building kids.